you're looking for the quiz funnel software to turn your traffic into leads, this video will show you 5 best options in 2026. I've tested 10 quiz funnel builders so that you don't have to, and will share my top picks. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly which quiz funnel builder software is the best for you. Let's dive in. The first tool on our list is Perspective. Perspective is a quiz funnel builder designed to turn paid traffic and social ads into high-quality leads and book appointments. It brings quiz funnels, landing pages, lead capture, contact management, and follow-ups into one platform. Perspective has a super intuitive funnel builder, probably the most user-friendly builder I've seen so far. Unlike other desktop-first funnel builders, it uses vertical, mobile-native funnels that match how people browse on their phones and also have great loading speed. You can just use one of the modern and professionally-looking templates, combine it with your AI brand profile, and build your quiz funnel within 15 minutes, literally. Now, most quiz funnel software stops at an opt-in form, and then you need to rely on other tools for contact management and follow-ups. But Perspective handles this for you as well. You will see all the quiz answers and the contact information of the lead in the contacts profile, can follow up with them using email or WhatsApp messages, and have a clear overview of the funnel performance. Of course, you can also use Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel and integrations with other tools. As for the pricing, the lowest plan is $59 per month, and it offers all the basic features you need to start. Then we have a $184 and $369 plan with higher limits and additional features. But before that, you can start a free trial and test Perspective yourself. By the way, if you use our link in the description of this video, you will get an extended 30-day trial instead of the usual 14-day trial. To sum it up, choose Perspective if you need quiz funnels that are quick to build, have great loading speed, and look modern. And you want to have the contact management, follow-ups, and analytics in the same place so that you don't need to use other tools. Next up is Typeform. Most people know it as a conversational form and survey platform, but it also can be used as light quiz funnel software when your needs are simple. Typeform's key characteristic is the one question at a time layout. It feels smooth on both mobile and desktop, which is why a lot of teams like it as an online quiz builder for engagement. You can use logic jumps to send people down different paths based on their answers, add basic scoring, and collect names and emails inside the quiz itself. There is a solid template library for surveys, forms, and quizzes, so setup is fast if you're creating straightforward flows. It also integrates with tools like Google Sheet and common email platforms, which helps you push quiz data into your existing system. However, with Typeform, your result pages will be basic compared with tools built for high-converting quiz funnels, and you will need to use separate landing pages and an autoresponder to complete the funnel. Typeform's pricing starts at €35 per month and scales up as response limits and features increase. Bottom line, Typeform is a clean conversational quiz builder software for simple use cases, but it's not designed to replace a full conversion-focused quiz funnel builder. The next option worth looking at is Fillout. This platform gives you a clean drag-and-drop quiz builder with pages, progress bars, and all the common fields you would expect. You can add conditional logic and scoring to branch questions and map outcomes, which makes it usable as a quizmaker software for basic personality or product recommendation quizzes. Lead capture is built in, along with thank you pages, and redirects to landing pages, booking tools, or other calls to action. Integrations are Fillout's strong area. It connects with popular CRMs, email platforms, and spreadsheets, so quiz data can sync into the rest of your tech stack. As quiz building software, it fits well when quizzes are just one step in a larger funnel. The limitations show up when you want more depth. Fillout is still form-led, not a full quiz funnel builder with built-in CRM, messaging, or revenue tracking. Fillout has a free plan that includes unlimited forms and up to 1,000 monthly responses. Paid plans begin at $19 per month and scale as your response volume and features grow. Overall, Fillout works as a flexible quiz software for lead capture and qualification, but is better suited as a supporting tool rather than a complete quiz funnel platform. Of course, if you're on a budget, this would be a good option for you, thanks to the free plan. Another tool you will see mentioned a lot is InvolveMe. This quiz funnel software designed for marketing teams that want to add quizzes, calculators or forms directly into existing websites and funnels. InvolveMe uses a drag-and-drop quiz builder that supports quizzes, calculators, surveys and forms. You can set up conditional logic and branching to guide users to different outcomes, capture leads with custom fields and show basic result pages. One of its standout features as an online quiz builder is the ability to embed quizzes or use pop-ups on landing pages and blog posts. Templates make it easier to launch things like product recommendation quizzes or lead magnets without starting from scratch. This also makes it practical as quiz maker software if you want to test quizzes on current pages before committing to a bigger platform change. Here you can also start on the free plan and upgrade as you grow. The starter plan is priced at $49 per month, and the price increases if you want to unlock higher funnel limits or additional features. In short, InvolveMe works as a flexible quiz software for embedding interactive content into existing pages, but it's not built to run complex end-to-end quiz funnels like, for example, Perspective. Last on the list is Google Forms. This is about as lightweight as quiz software gets, and it's best thought of as a starting point rather than a full solution. But if you have zero budget that you could spend on a quiz builder, Google Forms is your go-to option. Google Forms gives you a simple quiz builder with multiple choice, checkboxes and drop-downs. You can turn on quiz mode to assign correct answers and scores, and use section-based branching to move people through a basic flow. All responses will be automatically submitted into Google Sheets, which makes it usable as basic quiz-making software for tracking answers and leads. Because it's free, Google Forms is often used for quick tests, internal surveys or zero-budget experiments. The learning curve is really short, and shareable links make it easy to drop a quiz into emails or embed it on a landing page. The trade-off here is obvious. Design control is very limited, branching logic is basic, and there is no built-in CRM or email follow-ups. Bottom line, Google Forms works for simple data collection and low-volume quizzes, but it's not a true quiz funnel builder. For anything customer-facing or conversion-focused, dedicated quiz funnel tools like Perspective are a much better fit. Now that we've covered the top 5 quiz funnel builders, let's go over the criteria you can use to make your choice. Remember, the right quiz tool should help you turn interested funnel visitors into qualified leads. So here is what you should look out for. Outcome-first funnel flows. The funnel should be designed to move visitors from the first question to a tailored result and CTA, and not just stop at quiz completion. Mobile-first and conversion-focused design. You should look for clean templates with one question at a time layouts, large buttons that are easy to tap, and questions above default. Next, you want to have simple but powerful logic. Think of conditional path, a clear decider question, and easy branching without needing a spreadsheet of rules. You also want to have frictionless opt-ins, because the lead capture should feel like the natural next step and not a pop-up interruption. Last but not least, you may want to have seamless integration with other tools from your tech stack, and analytics that shows step drop-offs, opt-ins, and conversions. From all of the tools that we looked at today, Perspective checks all the boxes. It combines a mobile-first funnel builder, has modern-looking quiz funnel templates, optimized for conversion, contact management, follow-ups, and analytics. With all of that, you can launch a quiz funnel in 15 minutes. So click the link in the description to start your free extended Perspective trial. That was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Before you leave, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future videos.